Sing sang tai tai le. My name is Ceres Ann M. Canceran. I am 30 years old. I am from Ilagan, Isabela, Philippines. I'm happy as single parent. I have two sons, aged 13 to 10 years old. My highest educational attainment is college level. My hobbies are dancing, reading, and cleaning. I worked housemaid in the Philippines for 2 years and 1 month. I served one couple, 2 children, aged 5 to 7 years old. My duties are cleaning the house, cooking, washing, and taking care of their children. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to give the needs of my children, especially of their education. I'm willing to take good care of newborn baby, children, toddler, and elderly because I am confidently good and best model for them. I can also sing a nursery rhyme, Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. To my future employer, please choose me as your housemate. I promise to fulfill my duties and responsibilities, and I will stay there as long as you need. Thank you, and I'm looking forward to work with you as soon as possible.